In order to be successful with bar chords, we have to learn how to vamp. As well as making the rhythm sound much better, it's the solution to cramp or pain in your chord hand. There are 3 ways to vamp. I'm going to show them to you now. The first one is to press the strings and then strum and release. There are 3 ways to vamp. I'm going to show them to you now. The first one is to actually press the strings before you strum and release very quickly. There are 3 ways to vamp. I'm going to show them to you now. The first one is to press the strings before you strum and release quickly. The second way is to press the strings as you strum down and again release. And the third way is actually not to press the strings at all, just to strum down. There are 3 ways to vamp bar chords, and I'm going to show it to you now. There are 3 ways to vamp bar chords, and I'm going to show them to you now. The first one is to press the strings first, strum, and then release the pressure. When I release the pressure, I'm not taking the fingers off the guitar. I'm just barely taking them off enough to hold my chord shape and to mute the sound. That again, I'm pressing the fingers, strumming, and then releasing. That's the first way to vamp a bar chord. The second way is to not press until during the downstroke. So if you see here, I'm lightly touching the strings, there's no sound. So when I strum, I will just press in the downstroke and release in the upstroke. That again. And the third way is not to press at all, just to strum down. That's the third way, so there's no sound. There's 3 different ways there to vamp. The first one, I press before I strum. The second one, I press during the strum. And the third one, I don't press at all. And you will do the same with your upstrokes. Sometimes you will press before you strum up. Sometimes you will press during the upstroke. And sometimes you won't press at all. They're the vamping skills. Once we get that, we can start doing getting that into rhythms to bring them alive. You can hear the way I'm vamping there all the time.